Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest drone technology. Today, we're diving into the much anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. While DJI hasn't officially announced this model, leaks and rumors have given us a glimpse into what we might expect. Let's explore the potential features and enhancements of the Mavic 4 Pro. First up, the camera system. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to feature a triple camera setup with distinct zoom levels, a 1x 24mm wide-angle lens, a 2.5x 50mm medium telephoto, and a 6x 145mm telephoto lens. This configuration could offer unparalleled versatility for both photographers and videographers. Additionally, there's talk of a 28mm f/2.0 wide-angle lens, which would be a shift from the 24mm f/2.8 lens found on the Mavic 3 Pro. This change could reduce distortion and enhance low-light performance, providing clearer and more vibrant images. For content creators focusing on social media, vertical shooting capabilities might be integrated, similar to DJI's Air series. This feature would streamline capturing content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Battery life is always a crucial factor. Leaks suggest the Mavic 4 Pro could come with a 6,654 mAh battery, potentially offering up to 52 minutes of flight time. That's a significant boost, allowing for extended shooting sessions without frequent recharges. In terms of design, the Mavic 4 Pro might adopt an updated airframe, reminiscent of the Mini 4 Pro. This design could improve aerodynamics, contributing to the extended flight time and enhanced stability during flight. The controller is also expected to see upgrades. The inclusion of the DJI RC2, featuring a 5.5-inch 700-nit display and supporting OcuSync 4.0 or possibly OcuSync 4 Plus, could provide pilots with a more responsive and clearer live feed, even at extended ranges. Now, let's talk about the potential release timeline and pricing. Speculations point towards an announcement in March 2025, with the Mavic 4 Pro hitting the shelves by April. Pricing is estimated at $2,800 for the standard version, with a Cine version ranging between $4,000 and $5,000. While these details are based on leaks and rumors, they paint an exciting picture of what DJI might have in store for us. As always, we'll keep you updated with official information as it becomes available. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things drone. Fly safe, and we'll see you in the next video.